Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about a digraph. A digraph of two letters. Qua and makes qua sound. You have to pretend that your hands are like a beak of a duck. You have to open and close your hands like this and make the sound qua, qua, qua. Now it's a story time. A boy and his family are in the park. They give some breads to the ducks and squirrels. The squirrels scamper over quickly. They quarrel and squeak at each other. The ducks rush to the side of the pond, quacking loudly. The boy laughs and pretends to be a duck too, saying quack, quack, quack. Now, let's learn the formation of this digraph. It's time for quack song. Let's sing together.
Duck in the pond sings quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 all round the pond.
Let's sing once again.
The ducks in the pond quacks, quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the pond quacks, quack, 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 all around the pond.
Now we will learn the arm blending of qua sound. Qua, z, quiz. Qua, z, quiz. The next word, quack. Qua, k, quack. Qua, k, quack. The next word, squid. S, qua, d, squid. S, qua, d, squid. Now, quilt. Qua, t, quilt. Qua, t, quilt. Quick. Qua, k, quick. Qua, k, quick. Queen. Qua, queen. Qua, queen. Let's count how many sounds are there in the letter squeak. S, q, e, k. Squeak. Five sounds are there in the word squeak. Let's do it again. S, q, e, k. Squeak. Now in the word squid, let's count how many sounds are there in the word squid. S, q, e, d. Squid. Once again. S, q, e, d. Let's see how many sounds are there in the word queen. Qu, e, queen. There are two digraphs, Q and U. Qua. Double E, N. Queen. Qua, e, queen. Quilt. Qua, t. Quilt. Qua, t. Quilt. quill, qu, e, quill, qu, e, quill, quail, qu, a, e, quail, qu, a, e, quail, white, qu, e, t, quiet, qu, e, t, quiet. I hope it is clear to everyone how to pronounce this digraph. Qua, qua, qua. Thank you everyone.